Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
I'm just recording. What's up, YouTube? I'm at Urban Air with my little brother, Shaden. It's on you, ugly.
You ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't dancing. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon.
Okay,
Man. Oh, you ain't king. Man, now that scream. Man, hey, you went flying 50s first. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went first truck. Oh, you want to wall it all my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I want to play it how it is. Hey, hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not the field. Hey, you want to spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real is.
next on America Ninja Turtle, we have even Ninja Turtle. What is it? America's Next Ninja Warrior, something like that. Shaden Rouser stands at a good 5 foot something that I don't know. Oh, watch it, folks. He's getting wobbly at the legs. He's taking a moment to sit. Have a load off, Willie. He's very cautious that he make his exit. Tonight, touch the buzzer. Touch the buzzer. He's made it. How are you feeling after your great feat?
I feel fantastic.
What do you have to say to your supporters?
Everyone that was hating on me, I don't care because I did it. That's all I gotta say. That's pretty deep.
Come on, Shay, just put your legs up there. Gotta go, Shay. It's on the clock. You gotta get to it. Come on.
That thing is rigged.
How are you feeling?
There's no way for anyone to complete that. Oh my God. Got this. Hurry, hurry, the time is running up.
Good job. Touch the buzzer. Touch the buzzer.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
In this corner, standing at 5'2", we have Shaden, the boulder, Rouser. In this corner, standing at 5'3", go ahead. Standing at 5'3", we have Shire, the loser. Oh, sorry. The great. Oh, now he's special. Rouser. All right. Let's go.
That's way tougher.
Go, Shire, go.
How you get off this?
You just walk. What do you mean now?
Man, that hurt my feet real bad.
I know.
Oh, that's you should have told me that. All right. brother?
Good. Kinda hot.
You what?
Hot.
Hot. Not as hot as me. Anyway, guys,
We're about to get on this like climbing wall thingy. It's called Leap of Faith. You have to like jump off things.
Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And he's off. Phew.
Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm gonna steal another spill. Hey, you wanna steal in a spill. Hey, you not real deals.
Scary butt.
Yo, yo.
We're leaving the urbans of the air. I had a fun time. It was my very first time at Urban Air. Y'all, I'm breaking out so bad, so please, let's not look at that. Let's look at this side of my face.
Hi.
Ready for the thing?
Hey guys, we're doing another banger episode, and today we are doing something. Yeah, we're doing something.
Y'all, he just disgusted me. My outfit is so tea.
No, it's not.
Kiri, my Gary. How you feeling, girl?
Bad. I start school in 5 days.
I leave in 10.
I'm good to go far.
Technically, I don't even start for like another 16 days. My first day is 26.
Why does everyone start school so late? I start early.
Okay, but wait, you get out earlier than us? I don't even think you get out earlier than us for real.
I get out at the end of May. Oh.
That one is humongous. A deadly one.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear they nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my homie. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me.
Kira.
I'm looking for a girl in the building.
What you say?
Like, turn here. I was like, no, I got to. Whatever I told you.
Okay, Kiri, we got the volleyball and the basketball.
In the middle. 6'5".
She jamming, y'all.
Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside. 20.
That's the double cheeseburger. What? I'm telling you, you're a content creator. What? I said, I'm yeah.
I'm gonna flip my teeth.
Got my double cheeseburger. My fries.
Anybody want ketchup?
Yeah. The Sprite.
You need another one? Anybody else? This aioli is more than enough. I can find. You don't follow. How dare?
Little lady, you sure can't put it away.
Cheeseburger been ready.
Hey vlog. David, here's my shot. I'm at the beach for my gal's birthday. I always vlog. David, if you want to be in it, say that. Don't judge. David. Birthday girls.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Big 18 girl.
Finally, y'all, we're at the beach.
and it's cute out here. And Shire almost got kidnapped in the bathroom.
Oh my, y'all.
And we did get in the water though. That's the water back there. It's really pretty. Show them the view of the building.
Oh my.
Tired of going out, scared of running into you. All of these whereabouts, what is a girl to do? Say no to everything I'm invited to, and I can't do that. I'll be in a section, go low, baby.
Okay, y'all, wait, let me turn this way. I'm loving the beach. The light is so cute. Hold on, and right here. The light is so cute, especially for my video. Yeah, so I was just writing my name and taking little digi pictures. You can see my little thing. I'm so adorable. Yeah. I'm just making a little almost outro. Before I call my mommy. I don't know if y'all heard me. I said I'm making a little outro. 10 out of 10, very cute. It was a little chilly though. So today I'm going to Home Goods with my mommy who's backing up the car. Yeah, we can go to TJ Maxx.
What else do you need?
I don't need hangers. I'm gonna have some in my room. I was gonna get a decorative pillow because you know they.
Look at here.
Yeah, I'm gonna look. I just need one. I want to get just one big one because you know I don't got much space on there anyway.
What was I trying to say? I'm trying to say.
Right.
You could knock that out.
Okay, y'all. So I didn't get that much good stuff from Home Goods, but I did get me a bed skirt, which I think will be beneficial. It's a lot longer than I need it to be. But I'm just going to hem it on my sewing machine when I get home. So right now I'm looking for some gray pillows or, well, pillow. Because, you know, they only give me like the size of a pinky on my bed. So I'm trying to see what that's talking about. Shaden is acting like a weirdo. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. I feel like I brought that upon myself.
Shire, it's your bed.
He think he funny. And he just slapped his own knee, y'all. Let's fix it, okay? Let's get it fixed. Shoot, they don't got no more pillows? That's it? I was about to say, that's just what I needed. So, y'all, I'm looking for... Oh, those are kind of cute, brother. These ones. Those ones.
I see. This one?
I'm not really feeling too much other ones. This one may be decently looking. But I low-key want it to be like, you know, like an accent to it. Like, give it some oomph, if you will. Some hi-ya, if you will. Okay, y'all, so now I'm looking for my mommy. Oh, do I need a broom? I just thought about that. Do I got a dang on broom? I'm so cute.
Dang pillow. What is this? What?
It's a backrest for my back. I'm old. My mommy is still nowhere to be found.
I just saw her.
Lady, you must be found. Shebe's talking about he seen her. Oh, wait. I'm glad we did come over here, though, because I've been looking for something to go inside my jewelry thing. So stupid. She's right there. Okay, so we're at Ross. I'm still looking for a pillow. I'm looking for like a gray fuzzy one or like a cute little silver one. Like something that give it some oomph, like I said. But the other ones didn't have any, that's the most packed out there is. Like, let's get a move on, peoples. Okay, y'all, so I low-key found one and it was like right there and so cute and quick and all that stuff. So hold on, because you know what, y'all, I should have brought my thing back. My jewelry thing. Oh, do I got a lamp? I don't know if I got a lamp, y'all. Don't think I do. Later, do she feel like going to CVS? But I still want to get some like pictures for my room, like on my wall. I literally got nothing for the wall. Like, it's gonna be blank. So cute. That may be my go-to, because I found that I always am saying, I'm always saying, so cute, so cute, so cute. It may be my niche. So now I'm looking for like a baby tee. The baby tees are not baby tea. This one's cute, but just because I love Johnny Depp. That's, ooh, my bad, y'all. I'm gonna be back on there. Boom. These are so cute. I feel like I'll be seeing these on like Shein and stuff.
It's holding me, choose the right, but it will pick up the fun of me. All the while, I wait my all my feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my limitations are just.
I said they can't never make up their mind. They don't know if they want to call it sweet and sour or plum. But now it's back to sweet and sour.
But they do surveys. And they know people don't know what the hell
Plum sauce is, right. I don't even know why y'all changed it to that.
Mommy. Eat up.
Good night. Eat up. Okay? Mommy's not playing with you right now. Got me a little cutesy little top. Very cute, very demure. Or how you say it. Can I have some porridge, sir?
I liked it.
Cutesy little ladybug.
If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost it. On my own, I crossed through that alone night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the mood. No, you like.
Okay, y'all. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm about to do a small little haul. I didn't get much, so not gonna lie. So the first place we went, Home Goods. I only got one thing out of here. I got a white bed skirt. So cute. Ross. And the first thing I got is this gray backrest. And it has like a little holder for my phone here or drink or anything really. I got my little one accent pillow. It's this Juicy Couture light pink pillow with like silver studded crown and whatever. And it's so cute, so soft. It's not as big as I wanted it for like to be just one accent pillow, but you know you don't got a lot of space. So that's really all we got today. It was not a good shopping day, but it was a great shopping day. I had a lot of fun.
Heavy on my empty mind.
Hey! Look at mama. Amigo!
Right there.
She's off, people.
Gotta do it.
Go ahead.
Yard sale, free pizzas if you come.
Stop lying to the people.
Friday cool, but you want some spiced chicken that'll knock your motherfucking nose off? Go in there. Had got some stuff that.
Life moves fast when you do what you want.